Hey guys, what's going on? I just got a new car. I'm really excited to show it to y'all. Let's check it out. Let's go see it, y'all. Oh! Alright, haters. Y'all can suck it. Yeah. I got the babe that you wished you had. I got the life that you wish you live in. Rugrats! What kind of features this car got? It's got dashboard ninjas. Oh! It's got spinners. This thing has got 51 cylinders. I got a sick glove compartment. You can stargaze. That's a really bright star. You make it gently. That's me.